On Johnson altogether, or just one?
On one of the two.
All right. All right. Good morning, sir. Are you Brody Jack Johnson?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Johnson, in file number 252083, you're charged with larceny under $200. Mr. Gibson was appointed to represent you in that case. Mr. Truckee is gonna come into that one. So he represents you in that case, and he's asking for a final pretrial. File 252126. Mr. Gibson represents you in that matter, and that charges assault and battery. We're going to set both of those for a final pretrial conference on a Thursday afternoon. You've got a bond condition that you're not to have any contact with Nathan Johnson or Mitchell Solomon.
No, I think I'm not supposed to have any contact with Mitchell David Solomon.
Okay.
Nathan Johnson is my brother.
All right, then Mitchell Solomon. We'll set these for the same day. You have $1,305 with unpaid fines. Rest of it is. I can just put you in jail and wipe these out. Would you like me to just do that?
No, I can. My brother should have you guys on speed dial for like.
Well, the snow would be melted by
Yeah,
then.
you should be getting extra work and shit, and plus you have Social Security.
If I give you like 90 days and wipe all this out, it would be early March.
Mr. Johnson's brother is paying for some benefits this year.
All right, I want you to stop out at the counter.
Mm-hmm.
You've been blowing off all these fines since 2021. There's gonna be some resolution of these. Some are booking fees, which I can make go away, but some of these are driving charges. There's a use of a controlled substance charge. And it's not good that you're ignoring $1,300 worth of fines. So we'll address this again when I see you at the final pretrial. I want to see whether you've made any payment on this, but I want you to go out to the counter and check on the payment plan on your unpaid fine and cost. I'm going to collect all the overdue money by the time I retire for the court. Then they can help build a new courthouse. All right, you go out to the counter and you got two lawyers. They'll give you a new date and we'll deal with this in a bit. All right, you're good to go.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, ladies, there's two files. Laura, if you'd come get these. One is Johnson and one is Verway, that they need to provide information to the clerks. Autumn Lane, file number 252513. She called and failed to appear, but she said that her car broke or something. Let's see what that email says. This is a popular pastime on Friday morning. Her ride had an accident, so she won't be able to make it to court. I'm sure I believe it, but we'll reset APT for February 6th. Are you here that day, Paul?
I believe so, and that was also the day that we could have Mr. Jones' cases reset.
Yes, Patrick Jones is in the same boat.
He's here, but he did show up late, but
Oh,
he's
good.
asking, there's some reports that I still need for one of the cases.
Mr. Jones, would you come forward, please? I'm glad you're here. You're Patrick Bernard Jones. You're charged with retail fraud and retail fraud, two separate cases. And I'm going to ask for a final pretrial because you need more information. Is that correct, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, I would have no, if the court wants to set it for a last pretrial, set them, that's fine. Or if the court would set them for the February 6th date for attorney pretrials, that would also be acceptable.
All right, let's try that. Mr. Jones, you came from Sturgis.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna actually give you a notice for that February 6th date. One is a retail fraud second degree. One is retail fraud in the third degree. The more serious one is punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. We'll set this for Friday, February 6th, 2026 at 8:30, courtroom C, pretrial conference. Stay in contact with your lawyer. Very often there are videos of these. So maybe a circumstance where your attorney wants to see the video, maybe watch it with you, give him that. And we'll address this further on February 6th. And I'm glad you made it here. You're good to go. Yes.
That's on your schedule, but still have two in custodies. I'd like to get them back.
We're gonna do Catherine Owens next.
Perfect. Okay.
Who's the other one you got?
John Cap.
All right. Have we seen John Bush? I don't know what's going on with John Cap.
We haven't seen him here yet.
John took a plea on another case and I thought we took care of everything. We'll find out.
Do we need Dan for this?
I don't know. Hi, we're gonna deal with Catherine Owens. All right, thanks. Bye. We don't have a new case, just the PV. Is that correct?
I believe she does have a new case assigned to Attorney Knopfsinger, but I don't have any further
I
information.
think that got moved.
That's not up this morning.
Yes.